gotta stop and go get fuel for Josh. He's out in the rock picker picking rocks. So we're gonna go fill him up. Alright, I'm on my way to go get fuel for Josh. We're at about, I'd say about 50-50 for alfalfa and some orchard grass there. So a pretty good mix. Okay, I have a problem here. For some dumb reason, I let my fence line grow up there. Normally we're pretty good about it, except for this spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear that out so I can see my fence again. Because, unfortunately, I do have a bottom strand that leads all the way there that got buried. And look at that, I now have a bottom strand. And last but certainly not least, we are up at the other farm giving these steers some hay. And that is where, and that is where we're gonna go ahead and end our night. Thank you for watching and see you next time.